Hey everybody, I'm up here in Baldwin, Michigan, and this is actually going to be my first ride of the season, so I'll give you a little look at what that's going to be like. I'm not going to go very far because I think it's going to rain. I just don't feel like getting wet. But let's take a look at how she goes. I started up earlier, so the engine's slightly warm, so it'll start right up. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking while I'm riding because you probably won't be able to hear me. But when I stop, then I might say a few words. Off we go. I can see already that it's going to be real jiggly. Darn it. I don't have my regular motorcycle mount on my handlebar. I just have this sitting there. Probably won't be very good. Well, I didn't catch much of a video when I was riding because I didn't have my handlebar mount for the camera. So next time I'll get a video on that. I got a little bit, but hardly any. I'm here at the Baldwin Airport. It's where Blessing of the Bikes Festival was supposed to be. That's canceled for next month. So just wanted to stop and do a little bit of a video and let you know that it was a fail. A couple vehicles out there. Sometimes they have model gas-powered airplane doings here, but because of the COVID-19 scare, everything's at a standstill. Alright, I will talk to y'all later. Have a good night. Bye.